Yeah, g'day guys. I'm just doing a very quick review on a new product called the Niche Marketing Kit. Now, the Niche Marketing Kit is a stack of products that you're going to get for literally 20 bucks. And I've got an exclusive bonus for this at the moment. So what the Niche Marketing Kit is a whole bunch of products done by John Thornhill and David Nicholson. They've been pretty pivotal in helping me getting my ClickBank account up and running and having consistent commissions flowing through to a daily. So I'm still scaling up on my ClickBank. It's still getting there. I'm just going to quickly show you some of the results that I've got in the last probably a month or so. It's not, thousands of dollars, but it is like, for example, last week I did 700 bucks, 500 bucks there, 634 bucks there, and actually you can sort of see the daily sales snapshot there. So, so these products do work. They do provide a ton of value, and with this we got 20 bucks. And you get all these products. You get a bunch of, so a lot of people have trouble with traffic. So you got website traffic, traffic Phoenix. So you can even delve into the psychological factors of influencing mass buyers, marketing blueprint. So you get started learning how to do video courses. You also get media, like you get affiliate marketing niche. So affiliate ad rotator, permanent access to a ClickBank affiliate master. So you got, usually these products standing alone usually cost like, well worth and around about probably 10 to 20 bucks each just on the front end. And you also get access to a lot of the upgrades inside these as well. So it's very worthwhile picking this up because there are a lot of value bombs. Now, list building is one of the biggest things that I've learned as well. It's a very lucrative, it's a must do. So you get a lot of income training videos on list building, how to do it properly. You get a lot of PLR rights as well, so private label rights you get on a lot of these products. Now I'm just going to jump over to my bonuses. Now I'm actually going to give away excess or upgrades. You guys are going to secure all the upgrades fast track done for you. Inner Circle, Profit Box, Cash Automators, unlimited traffic, license rights to 100% of the profits. You get rebuilds and all the upgrades. You get Method X and all the upgrades. You get Infusion, all the upgrades. Phoenix, all the upgrades, and Breakout Code and all the upgrades. So guys, it's definitely well worth picking up. I'm throwing in probably almost around about $6 grand of value just on my end, let alone on top of the value that you're going to get just for 20 bucks here. So once you do, if you do purchase this, please send me an email. And I will send an email to, you'll have to send an email to Jane at janeadigitalmarketing.com, and I'll put that in the review video down below this video. If you do secure it, please send me an email. ClickBank do not have a thing where you can access your purchase. Just send me a copy of your receipt. Once you send me a copy of your receipt, I will send through the bonuses to you within the next 24 hours. So guys, definitely well worth on it. Please send me an email. Send an email to this email here, and I will send you your bonuses within the next 24 hours. Alright guys, so thank you very much. I look forward to you guys jumping on, and I really look forward to you guys securing some serious value out of all these products, let alone web traffic, so you start getting some traffic flowing to your business, videos, so traffic going to the top class videos that you're going to make using these products, and video marketing niche products as well, guys. So yeah, like I said, it's a quick review. It's well worth it. It's 20 bucks, so it's not, you get all that for a fraction of the original cost, and it's very well worth picking up. Alright guys, I hope you guys had an awesome Christmas. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Cheers.